So first topic, Mon, is when storytelling crosses the line. So there was this post about Basaw which raised ethical and IP concerns.
Yeah.
So nakita mo ba yun?
Nakita ko and nakakasad kasi ang father ko ay from Basaw.
Oo, neighbor namin ng Basaw.
And that's Basaw Mountain Province.
Basaw Mountain Province. So what is it all about? There was a Facebook post which was previously named Basaw Mountain Province. After the call out, it changed its name to Basaw Blogger.
And bakit?
Why? Now, yesterday, while I was scrolling through Facebook, this appeared in my feed because people I know commented on it or liked it. Kaya siya lumabas sa aking feed. Now, when I was looking at it, wow, how poetic, how long. And then suddenly I looked at the PubMat, the art card, the poster, and there was National Geographic on it.
Na kung regular sana na pagkakataon, nakaka-proud.
Nakaka-proud sana. But at
Kaso,
the same time, nag-wonder ako, sandali lang, na-feature ba talaga ang Basaw sa National Geographic? Which led me to investigate whether, which led me to fact-check the post. And these are our findings. There is no evidence that Basaw was ever featured as a standalone story by Nat Geo. Nat Geo has featured the Cordillera, yes, particularly Kalinga, Ifugao, but not Basaw. Ano masasabi mo doon?
Diyan natin makikita na talagang sa isang simpleng art card or PubMat online, kapag di natin ginawa yung responsibilidad natin bilang content creator, it may deceive people. And ang problem dyan, yung mga nasa receiving end. We're actually deceiving them.
Yes.
And syempre magre-react dyan yung communities na nasa Basaw and communities na nasa Cordillera mismo.
And, you know, dun tayo we get carried away. I mean, is this for clout? Because you can't put that Nat Geo logo there without prompting your AI. Which
Yes.
leads us to the next question. Is this AI generated? All signs point to that.
And okay lang sana basta may disclaimer.
Correct. Na AI siya.
Yes, but without the Nat Geo logo there.
Also, because that's really misleading.
Kasi parang nangyayari is...
Nagra-ride on ka
Yeah.
sa popularity and credibility of Nat Geo.
And kung talagang seryoso ang Nat Geo,
They
pwede
could-
kayong kasuhan.
They can. They can. For IPR, for intellectual property rights or copyright. So, which leads us now to the next issue about AI. Why does it point to AI, Mon? Ikaw na mas ano dyan.
Unang-una, images pa lang. Siyempre, number one, may distinct look ng mga Cordillerans. Number two, Diyos ko, zoom in mo pa lang, iba na talaga ang kanilang mukha.
Mukha,
Number
damit.
three,
Oh.
napaka-crisp nung PubMat, which is very AI. Number three, yung image mismo. Diba? Parang magtataka ka, saan ba to?
And kung i-browse mo yung other content niya,
The text mismo.
and even the other images, halos.
Okay.
AI.
The entire content
Yes.
of the
And then nung
Blogger.
na-call out siya ng Mountain Beacon, napalitan yung art card, yung PubMat, nawala
Ang
yung Nat Geo.
Pero ganun pa rin yung image.
Pero ganun pa rin yung image. Kasi it's the third there is the issue of proper indigenous representation, which you
Yes.
already mentioned, Mon. I mean, kasi sa Basaw, home yan ng Northern Kankanay or Aplay communities, no? May distinct clothes yan na weaving, even the weaving patterns, the colors, and hindi yon ang nasa image.
Yes.
So, you know, tama ba yun? Hindi. Hindi. Like, so the image should not be treated as an accurate description of people from Basaw. Okay? Ngayon, ano pa yung ibang ethical issues that were raised by the post? Yung transparency and disclosure, which was already mentioned. Ay, kung gumamit ka ng AI, di sabihin mo. Diba?
Yes. And the fact na nag-react na mismo ang municipality of Basaw.
Oh, yes! They did!
Diba? There's something wrong.
Imagine, the Basaw LGU shared the fact check with a caption saying that this page uses AI-generated photos and the information it contains is misleading. To clarify, the Basao Mountain Province page is not managed
Managed.
or affiliated with the municipal government of Basao.
Kasi
That's
yung name niya
heavy.
pa lang kasi, di ba? Basao
Mountain
Mountain, Province. Sa ating content creators, be very, very careful din. Kasi misrepresentation yan. Yan pa rin ang bagsak niyan.
Oh, did we get an apology from the page? No!
Medyo sumasagot pa sa comment section.
Sumagot pa siya dun sa comment section. Sabi niya, kung mag-call out kayo, kailangan bang publicly? Pwede namang privately. Sumagot ang Basao LGU. Sabi, we have been trying to reach out to you since 2025. Hindi ka sumasagot.
Di ba? And one more thing, ang post mo ay public.
Tama. Adi, par for the course, pwede ka nang pagpiestahan.
Iko-call out ka talaga.
I-call out ka. Saka, ano pa bang ano dyan? Now, is the article entirely false? Hindi naman.
Okay.
Kasi may mga totoo naman doon. Like, totoo naman, nasa Mountain Province ang Basao, that it consists of 14 municipalities. Factual yan. Yung Giday Stone Calendar na inihambing niya sa Stonehenge. So, totoo naman cultural site yon. And then it's associated with the Aplay and Northern Kankanaay culture. And it's known for its rice terraces, waterfalls, and indigenous traditions. Okay, fine. Tama yan. Pero yung may mga ano na doon, on the verge of poetry, on the verge of promotions. Kung ganon, you state it.
Yes. And hindi naman masamang i-promote
Tama.
si Basao
Walang
Mountain
problema dyan.
Province. Of course, matutuwa pa yung municipality.
Proud pa
But
tayo.
then, when we do it kasi minsan, even with the purest intention, kung may mali sa mismong execution, doon tayo nagkakaproblema. So, if you really want to promote Basao, try to check actual photos. Now, if you
Yes.
don't have, pwede mo namang i-message yung mga owners if you can use the images eh. Diba? Okay, reach out to Basao Tourism.
Yes, the tourism officer of Basao. or
Kasi you
the
have,
LGU.
di ba, you have the following na eh.
Correct.
Use it well.
Yes, when you have a platform like this, use it responsibly and with accountability. If you get called out and it's a valid concern, then own up to it. Say sorry, I will do better and be better.
Yes. Kasi again, promoting a municipality or a tourism destination is not bad. It's the way we do it.
Right.
So if you do it right, we will support you.
Yeah. Truth in advertising.